Kai from TikTok, y'all. What's up with it, Kai? Okay. Y'all check out the, Is you getting the bet?
Scared.
Okay. Damn. See, Funkytown, when that Funkytown bet, he make them back up like ice cream truck, make you want to get a fudge bomb off that motherfucker. Okay, we got Kai in here from TikTok. Anybody else coming over from TikTok? My YouTube channel is Lookout Racing. I'm waiting on y'all. Kai, did you hit that subscribe button and turn the notification on? That's Toto. Well, my phone just tried to connect to Chevy Link all the way over here. We got Alan Cabrera from TikTok. Look out. What's up, Alan? We in the building from Miramar Beach, Florida. Oh shit, Pedro, what Pedro all the way over there in Florida? Put my shit on one of their TVs down there, man. I had went to the, last time I went to Florida, I went on, I went to, what's his name, shop? Is it DJ Khaled? I think DJ Khaled. I connected to their Wi-Fi, connected to one of the TVs, and put my Lookout Racing video up there. I had my video up there, and then a dude was sitting down there. He was like, "There go my cousin right there." He seen his cousin on the video. HighLyfe for the win with unlimited shifts.
What was that dude who was on the phone with you when you told him the story about the stone vet?
Oh, that was Mac Daddy, Pro-Line hand cleaner.
Okay.
Shout out to all the people that sponsor me, which reminds me, we got Sticky Pickle with the nice and sticky. Oh, here go my car. Here go my shit. Gonna get his ass this time. Come on, I'm gonna get his ass this time. Hey, you getting in the back? I'm finna hit him in the ass. Damn, I'm finna hit him in his ass. Here. We on that ravine. I had one more. Yeah, come on, fucking time. Oh boy, we finna do it 4 deep, y'all hear me? 4 deep.
Hey, leave the camera on Funkytown.
Yeah. Funkytown, what you got to say for the people?
Shit, man, this a bad motherfucker. Boom!
Boom, goddamn.
Boom, goddamn me. Oh, shit! Goddamn me, boom! Boom in this bitch. Man got a family in this motherfucker. Got a family of chicken. We finna go to work in this bitch.
They gonna see it. Funkytown, you think we can let him hit?
Yeah, I told him he got back tires and the hit.
Let's see if he can hit.
Let's get to the 60, Q.
God damn.
Hey man, we play somebody out, man.
I don't know who them people is, but we
God damn, the whole YouTube channel. God damn, this nigga here he done shut the whole.
One of them is still with short.
Yeah, that's TikTok.
Well, you goddamn Lookout ain't bullshitting in this bitch.
God damn, I can't believe. My bad, y'all. He didn't. God damn, y'all. He didn't exit the whole damn YouTube, y'all. I told him the camera. He say the camera hit his face, y'all. G-Force. Golly.
Oh, Lookout ain't bullshit. Got a family on it.
Hey, tell him come August, bro. The old Cortez is back.
Let me see, man. Oh, damn, they run pretty good with 4 people in this damn people. Yeah. We ain't put no glue or nothing.
This how them been through the struggle.
Dang.
Lookout got a family on
Yeah.
in this bitch.
4 feet.
$5 just fried they motherfucking ass.
Motherfucker probably
Let him
65,
tag
100
ass
pounds.
too.
Damn.
We matched his weight.
That was a badass
Yeah,
nap.
we can tell them that we the same weight.
Yeah, same weight.
We the same weight.
That nigga break to 6.
I let him hit it. I let him tear his ass a little bit. I let him get out there.
You let him go
He got his top in.
Oh, he want us to stop. Let me see something. Okay. Okay, let me see if this line. TikTok, all my people watching on TikTok, man. We live on YouTube. Huh? Gerald Neal. He had cut a good light too.
Man, goddamn, look at it, get up, man. I know that hit your goddamn head. Yeah.
The phone hit his head, y'all, man. I don't even know what the 60. I'm gonna look at the 60 foot. I don't know what the 60 foot. Oh, I had like a 160. 160 60 foot. Yeah, I had a 160 60 foot, y'all. 160 60 foot, 4 people, no glue. With a family order. 160. Yeah, I gotta cool it off. Gotta keep it cool, man. I gotta cool it off, man. Go fast and keep it cool, man. Man. Yeah.
Got through with it, with popping him in his ass. Boom.
Yeah, man.
That was a setup.
Yeah, that was.
Yeah, that was a setup. Look how I set him right up his motherfucking ass.
Yeah.
Look at that footage.
Let me see how it look on your end. At least she got to record it, cause he. Yeah. Let's see. I let him
Watch
jump
that
out
head
there.
start though.
I let him jump out there.
Got him.
Can you still get that? You know, you had one of your cameras.
Yeah. But the TikTok be showing up and down. TikTok be showing up and down.